Ever wondered how websites like Amazon, Netflix, or Google work so smoothly without glitches? Well, the secret lies in automation testing, and the king of automation testing is Selenium. If you're a manual tester looking to step up, a developer wanting to add automation skills, or even someone completely new to tech, learning Selenium can open doors to high-paying jobs in the industry. And here's the best part, you don't need years of experience to get started. Stick with me, and I'll show you how you can become a Selenium pro and land a fantastic job in automation testing. Now, why should you even care about Selenium? Let's be real, manual testing is slow, repetitive, and kind of boring. Companies today want things done fast and flawlessly, that's why they're looking for testers who can automate processes instead of clicking buttons manually. And guess what? Selenium helps you write test scripts that do the clicking for you. It's like having a robot test your software while you sit back and enjoy your coffee. Plus, Selenium is free, works on every browser, and is used by 90% of tech companies worldwide. That means job security and career growth for you. Okay, so how do you actually become a Selenium expert and break into automation testing? It's easier than you think. Step 1. Learn a little bit of programming. Like Java, Python or C#. Step 2. Understand testing fundamentals so you know what you're automating. Step 3. Dive into Selenium WebDriver, this is where the real fun begins. You'll learn how to write test scripts that interact with websites just like a real user. Step 4. Work with TestNG and Cucumber, these help you manage test cases in a structured way. Step 5. Get hands-on with API testing because automation isn't just about UI testing. Step 6. Learn C/CD and Jenkins to automate test execution and integrate with DevOps workflows. Step 7. Build real-world projects, prepare your resume, and get job ready. Now, let's talk about the real motivation, salaries. How much can you make as a Selenium automation tester? Well, entry-level roles start at around $70,000 to $120,000 per year. Mid-level testers make anywhere between $80,000 to $130,000. And senior automation engineers? We're talking $188,000 and $150,000 and beyond. The demand for Selenium experts is skyrocketing, and big companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and startups are always looking for skilled professionals. And this isn't just a job, it's a stepping stone to so many career opportunities. Once you get good at Selenium, you can become a software development engineer and test, SDET, a QA automation architect, a performance tester, or even a DevOps engineer. With automation testing becoming the industry standard, you're not just securing a job, you're securing a future-proof career. Ready to start your journey into Selenium automation? Our Selenium training at QA Online Training is designed to take you from beginner to expert with real-world projects, resume building support, and interview preparation. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step toward a high-paying, future-proof career. Join us today, visit our website www.conlinitraining.com, or call us at 800-518-0095 or mail us at training@infotechsolutions.com. Selenium is one of the best skills you can add to your career. Automation is the future, and companies are hiring now. Don't wait, start your Selenium journey today.